Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardav Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to design this e-letter, and we need to change the document color mode. So we need to click on the file and change that to CMYK because we are making that a logo template. We can use this for a real client, or you can use this to sell online, maybe for a digital market, or maybe you want to sell this on any market that you could sell digital products. So here we have this rectangular grid tool that we're going to use to make that but before I'm going to click at that, let me show you the colors which we are going to use. Double click at the first gradient so you can see the color. The next one, you can pause the video and you can copy that color code if you want to. So we have the third one. Here we are going to click to get the grid tool and click on the artboard. We need that 6 by 6. Let's get the selection tool by Alt and Shift. We're going to scale this. Get the shape builder tool and select your color. We're going to make this look like a pixel logo, pixel style. Because we are going to click right here, we just clicked one here and also second time. Now we need to get the selection tool, right click and ungroup that. Now we need to hold down the shift key and we're going to select all the shapes for this E. Let's put this right here. Select all the grids and remove it. Get the eyedropper tool and we're going to apply this. But for this, let's move this. As I said, I want to make it look like a pixel style logo. Maybe we want to remove that, so we can remove that. Let's remove only this one. I'm going to select everything, Control G, and center it on the artboard. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to get the ship builder, not the ship builder, it's the rectangle tool. We're going to add a background 3000 by 3000 pixel. We don't actually need that ship builder tool for now, so we are going to click on align this, and also I'm going to change the color to black, and let's right click, and here we need to send this to back. By holding down Alt and Shift, we're going to scale this. So now here some things need to be fixed, so we need to click on each shapes and click on the shape, the gradient. Let's do this from here. We're going to remove this color only. For this one, we're going to make it look like this. Now it looks good. So this is how we can make this kind of logo design with Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel.